Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is somewhat unique in itself because in this video, I'm going to share a very beautiful and design ideas of uniqueness based hand embroidery patterns of Brazilian embroidery. Yes friends, you are going to get crazy, stylish, unique, beautiful and amazing ideas that how you can do Brazilian embroidery, how you can make a creative, stylish hoop art of your hand art of your hand embroidery with the help of Brazilian embroidery patterns. So friends, now our main concern, that is how you can use these embroidery patterns. The scope to this is very wide, large and enormous. That is, you can use these embroidery flowers onto your dresses for the designing and delicacy of your dresses. Like you can make these patterns as an all over embroidery pattern for your shirts, for your kurtis. You can embellish these very beautiful patterns onto your handmade jewelry. You can also design very beautiful and classic hand embroidered masks. You can make these patterns onto your table covers, table mats, onto the designing of your bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers as well. And the scope is not only limited, you can make wide variety of stuffs. Like you can make covers of your books, notebooks by making these very beautiful patterns. You can design these patterns onto your sweaters, cardigans, ponchos and any type of knitwears. You can make these beautiful patterns onto the dresses of your baby girls, onto the frock yokes of your baby girls as a back motif of your baby girl shirts, onto the denim fabrics like denim shirts, denim jackets, pants and very creative wide variety design ideas ranging from designing onto your mobile covers, mobile cases, glasses covers, onto your bags, clasp bags, vanity bags, cosmetic bags and many more creativities. For more creative, unique and beautiful ideas, subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the latest upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like and leave comments below my video so that I could get to know what you want me to share with you on daily basis. So stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.